Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching our channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. So once again we are in the kitchen. This is the segment Cooking Made Simple. So as you can see we have potatoes, and over here we have spinach, which we freeze and use whenever necessary. So it's going to be aloo saag with eggs anday. Okay, so the usual spices that we use: turmeric, chili, salt, garam masala. And over here again we freeze these things. We've got crushed chili, we have garlic, we have ginger, and we have garlic cloves. And of course we start off with uh, onions. How many onions? Two onions and two large tomatoes as well. In addition, we do put in a little bit of yogurt to make it a little bit, well, the gravy a little bit more what I call korma like. So over here we have the oil sizzling away. Can we put the onions in, please? Okay, so we're going to brown these and cook them for about 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes have passed, so beginning to soften. So can we put the tomatoes in, please? They can be cooked together because I'm wanting a paste like. So the tomatoes have cooked quite nicely, so we're going to add the next ingredient, which is potatoes. So as you can see we like large chunky ones, but if you don't like large ones, then that's up to you. Okay, giving that a good stir, and then can we add the crushed chilies, please, and the garlic and the ginger and the cloves. If you could cut those in half or a few pieces. This is garlic, viewers. Garlic cloves. There's about 10 of them. Just forgot to mention we're putting the chilies in as well. The green chili. Not so the potatoes have cooked nicely. We're adding the spices now, which is salt, chilies, turmeric, and garam masala. So do add a little bit of water because you don't want the spices to stick, and of course it helps the potatoes to cook a lot better as well. We want to speed up the process, so it's going to be covered for a few minutes, and hopefully the potatoes will be a lot more cooked, and then we're ready for the last ingredient, which of course is spinach. Sorry, there's eggs to go in as well after that. So the potatoes are cooking nicely there, viewers. Now we're ready for our next ingredient, which is the spinach, the palak saag. So as you can see, we do freeze these things so that they are last longer. So a few of our friends grow them and give them to us over the summer, and then we freeze them for use in winter. That is coming on nicely, lovely. So we're ready for our next ingredient, which I like, is yogurt. This always makes the gravy a lot better, but if you don't like, then that's entirely up to you. Give that a good mix, please, and again cook for about 2 minutes. The yogurt has blended in really nicely, so we are now ready for our final final ingredient, which is of course eggs. Okay, try to put these in as quickly as we can. We are putting 6, and it is entirely up to you. That is 3. And 1 more. Okay, so you're going to have to mix and break this up very quickly, viewers. And I'm going to do this for 5 minutes and let the egg blend in with the aloo saag, with the potato and spinach, and that will be our lovely aloo saag and egg aloo saag anda. And that is our final product, viewers. Aloo saag with anda, and we're just going to add our final thing, the garnishing, which is fenugreek. Okay, methi to Urdu speakers. That is it, viewers. I do hope you're going to try our recipe. Nice and simple. If you are pushed for things to make, this really is a nice simple recipe. Okay, just remains for me to say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please share the video with all your friends on your social media accounts. Until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz.